Mark, let's talk about this. If they upgrade forecast and leave policy the same, did the Fed just ease?
I don't know. So they've been very accommodative, and we anticipate that they will remain that way for the foreseeable future. What they are trying to do is that they're trying to convince the market that they will allow the economy to run hot for a period of time, and to run hot until they see inflation move sustainably higher. We thought that Chair Powell's comments yesterday on inflation were very, very telling about the forcibly dovish backdrop that this Fed is going to have. He was talking about psychological impacts that they're trying to influence to convince market participants and participants in the economy that inflation will indeed remain high, or that it can increase over time. And so given the forecasts of an improving growth outlook, the Fed is still going to keep rates on hold, and they are going to remain very dovish and very, very accommodative for quite a long time.
Mark, I understand that's the message, but when the data comes in the middle of next year and starts to test the patience of this market, the market will get to define what substantial progress actually is. And I do wonder, Mark, based on the guidance they offered yesterday, whether there might be some issues in offering qualitative outcome-based guidance instead of something a little bit harder, firmer, or even time-contingent guidance to really commit to this and say, whatever happens in 21, forget it about it. We're out the game until 22.
Yeah, so the qualitative guidance that they provided yesterday, we thought was deliberately vague. They're trying to preserve as much flexibility as they can with regards to their asset purchases to be nimble around how the economic outlook evolves. But what I thought was very clear, what we thought was very clear yesterday, was this is a Fed that has no intention of tapering anytime soon. There's been a burgeoning market narrative out there that, oh, the Fed may have to take away the punch bowl at some point in 2021, or the Fed may need to start tapering at some point in 2021 because inflation is going to improve and the data is going to be better. This is a Fed that right now is very content to push back on that narrative.